Holly berry earrings. So super cute and so easy to make. To get started making these earrings, you will need 2 red 10mm Czech glass beads. You'll need 4 bead caps, 6 small 3mm red Czech glass crystals, Czech glass seed beads in green. You'll need 2 of those. You'll need your leaves. These are Czech glass leaves. They're top drilled. You'll need 4 of these. And you'll need 2 3-inch head pins, and this is in silver tone. We're also going to need earring wires, but I'm going to show you how to make earring wires out of the same head pin that you're going to use to string your beads. I already put one side together, so let's get started on the other side. I like the mixed metal colors of the silver and gold, so I'm using a silver head pin and a gold bead. Then I'm going to put on my bead cap, my Czech glass, bead cap on the top. Then I'm going to put another gold bead, my green Czech glass seed bead, red crystal. Then I'm going to add my leaves, my red crystals, and my last gold bead. To make our earring wire, we're going to use our chain nose pliers, pinch it at the top, right on top of the gold bead. We're going to bring the wire to the back. Using our 6-step looper, we're going to come in between the last 2 barrels with our wire. We're going to leave some space in between the beads and the barrel, pinch it down, and bring the wire up, over, and down. Then we're going to adjust, squeeze, and roll again, and roll again. And then when we take it out, we'll have the beginning of our earring wire. Coming in with our chain nose pliers, we're going to bend the bottom of our earring wire up to create our little hook. Okay, let's do that one more time with the other earring. We're going to come in at the top, hang on to it with our chain nose pliers, bring the wire to the back. We're going to use our 6-step looper, bring the wire in between the last 2 barrels, leaving some space in between the barrel and our beads. Then we're going to come up, over, and down. We're going to rotate our barrel, keep going, readjusting until we have our earring. We can also file the ends on both of our earrings. And there you have your holly berry earrings. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.